Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the unboxing for the bargain bead box for the month of October, and it's called A Night in the Woods. There's 18 things in this month's box. I'm very excited to undo this. Ooh, and got some antique brass in there. Make sure my light is set up right here. I got a new light here. Seems to really be working. I was questioning it before. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, lots of goodies. Very excited. Oh, lots of pretties. Oh, faceted carnelian. Never turn that down. Oh, yes. Love this one. Love this. Let me get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so number one is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 3 millimeter finely faceted Hessonite garnet rounds. So they're not the actual like red like they normally are, the garnet. This is more of a brownish color, but they're so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It's a nice strand too. Very pretty. Number two is approximately 1 meter, a 4x3 millimeter textured steel jewelry chain, lead and nickel free. So this is pretty. I like the texture in this. It's a nice long strand. Number three are 4 pieces of 35.5 by 14 millimeter feather links, lead-free, cadmium-free. These are nice. They're one-sided. You can do a lot with these. I'm sure you can bend these a little bit. Do some kind of a bracelet if you want. I'm probably going to use these for earrings. Maybe even an earring and a necklace set maybe, and maybe I'll hang 2 of these with something in between. I'm not really sure yet. Number 4 are 10 pieces of 18 by 9 millimeter double-sided owl charms, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Cadmium. I can't pronounce that. Huh. These are so cute. Look at these. How adorable are these? These would make cute earrings too. Oh, it's adorable. Number 5 is a 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter red tiger eye round beads, heat treated. Very pretty. Yeah, you can see that little bit of a red hue to them. Very pretty. Love. Number 6 is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 4 millimeter garnet round beads dyed. Very pretty. Love garnet. They make such pretty bracelets. Number 7 is a 20-piece strand of 6 by 5 millimeter crystal faceted lantern beads, slate dark vitriol. These are really pretty. I love we get some sparkly and some matte beads. You can do a lot with these combinations. Number 8 is a 16 by 6 millimeter brass magnetic barrel clasp, nickel free. So it's very nice. These are really nice for bracelets, because then you can put them on yourself and they're a little easier to do then. Number 9 are these 20-piece 7 millimeter leaf spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free. It's so adorable. Double-sided. I like the antique brass. I'm not a fan of rose gold when they use that. Everything else I like. If they have rose gold, I usually break it up and I'll just use a little bit in each thing that I make, so it's not too overwhelming. Number 10 are 2-piece detailed owl charms. Look how cute these are. So that's the front, and then it even has a backing on it. How cute is that? 11 is approximately 13.5-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in orange AB. Now, being the month of October with Halloween, I can see why they put these in, you know, and you don't, the thing is, even though they're very bright, you can only, you know, you can make a pair of earrings and mix something up and just use like 1 or 2 of these just for a little pop of color, you know. So even though these are bright, you don't have to use the whole strand. That's what I would do with these. Maybe, I mean, when you look at just using 1 or 2, it would just really bring out the color without it being too much. Number 12 is a 10-piece strand of 12 by 8mm faceted crystal barrel beads in ivory luster. So pretty. I love when they put these barrel beads in there that are faceted. The sparkle is just off the charts. So number 13 is a 46 by 38mm round with owl pendant, nickel free. That's the back of it. That's really cool. It's kind of got that spooky Halloween vibe to it. And number 14 is a 10-piece strand of 13 by 8mm crystal faceted twist beads in light topaz luster. These are gorgeous. I know the camera's not doing it justice, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that sparkle. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Approximately 15-inch strand of 8mm faceted carnelian round beads. These are off the charts. I have really come to love carnelian. Love it when it's, I love faceted beads though, just because I like sparkle. To me, if you're going to wear jewelry, wear it, you know. So look at these, how pretty they are. Wow, this would be gorgeous on a memory wire bracelet. And the only thing I love better than the faceted carnelian round beads is this 20-piece strand of 6mm English cut carnelian round beads. English cut are gorgeous too. Wow. Love this month's box. So pretty. And then with these, look at that. If you could see those through these are gorgeous together. I can't wait to work with these. And number 17 is approximately 22mm hand-carved carnelian owl and optional pinch bail. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh, that's the back of it. And that's the front. They're outside mowing my neighbor's lawn. So pretty. And the last but not least, the 10-piece strand of approximately 10mm crystal faceted half matte round beads. These are so pretty. Like I said, go big or go home when it comes to the sparkle. So I think out of this whole box, I like these, the carnelians, these two, and the English cut. Oh, and then I like these, and these, and the tiger's eye, and throw these in too. So I guess you could say I love this month box. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and let me know down in the comments if you get the Bargain Bead box, and if you do, what you thought of this month's box. I will leave a link below if you're interested. This is a great deal. It's I think it's $19 a month, something like that. Yeah. And they say the approximate retail value is $75. I'm not sure about that, but it's still a great bargain. I always have fun creating with this box every month. So follow me below on my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Etsy, or my Facebook channel. And you can also subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and hit that notification bell below so YouTube notifies you. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and stay tuned. I have a lot more to come, and I will see you soon on my next video.